all to get a moment's peace?
Yes. Wait, yes!
Then you need the NoiseBeacon 2000 earbuds with 12 different soothing sounds. Tune out that noisy world and enjoy a little me time. Only $19.95. Call now.
Sold! Same day delivery? How much more is that? Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's drift. We're out of Mama's dog's train.
No,
Oh.
do that. Goodbye, pesky noisy sisters. Hello?
Not again, don't